Hello and welcome to AI Workflows Automation. Learn to build smart business automation using n8n. This is a structured journey. You will learn how AI workflows work, how to build them, and how to use them for businesses and daily operations. By the end, you will be able to design automation agents that deliver measurable values. Let me give you my intro. My name is Ehtisham. I have been working in web design and development since 2021. In early 2025, I moved fully into automation. Since then, I have built multiple real world automation projects for daily use and businesses. This series exists to transfer that experience into clear, usable systems. Watch each video fully. Partial viewing breaks understanding. This is technical work and requires full attention. Created few slides to get the basic idea about this series. So first of all, let's uh, learn what is AI workflows automation. So AI workflow automation is the process of using AI and software to automatically run tasks and decisions without manual work. Let me repeat it. AI workflow automation is the process of using AI and software to automatically run tasks and decisions without manual work. For example, auto reply to emails using AI. This is a basic example of automation. So AI agent will automatically reply to emails and handles all the stuff which we command to our agent, our automation system. Okay, now let's move to the second slide, which is benefits of AI workflow automations. There are lots of benefits of AI workflows automations. I've just listed a few of them. The first one is it will save our hours of time every day, every week. It will save 10 to 20 hours per week. Also, it reduces human errors because the AI will work, the AI automation will work for us. AI is much smarter than humans, so it will reduce humans' error. The third one is run processes 24 by 7. So it can work 24 by 7, but humans cannot. We cannot work 24 by 7, but our automation system, which we built for our businesses, for our daily life use cases, will work 24 by 7 for us. The fourth one is improve speed and consistency. As we learn, it will speed the process, it will work for our 24 by 7. So it's mean our speed will be improved, our consistency will remain consistent, our agent will work daily without any break. So also the accuracy will be much improved as compared to humans. That's why automation is much important. So the fifth point is lower operational cost. It also lowers the operational cost because it the one AI automation once we build one system, one AI automation system, it will work for months, for years with a small maintenance. On the other hand, if we hire someone to do that similar task, the same task, it will cost us recurring every month, every day we have to pay him. So the last one is work smarter, not harder. When we build our automation systems agents, AI agents, they will work smartly for us. We don't need to work hard to do daily repetitive tasks. So next slide is platform we will use n8n. We will use this platform for our building for our agents, where we build our automation agent, which is called n8n. So what is n8n? N8n is an open source automation platform where we can visually build our automation system. We can simply drag and drop our apps and connect each other to build our system. No coding needed, no much technical knowledge required to build this automation. It is very really easy to use. Plus, there is 800 plus integrations spotted by n8n, which is very good and positive plus point of this platform. We can connect any app to any app because of this large amount of integrations spotted. So we can if we imagine anything to automate, we can do it on n8n because we will add AI capabilities to workflows and it will work much smarter than we what we think about our flows. Okay, now let's move our next slide, which is local vs live usage. uh, how an n is used. We can use it in two ways. The one locally, the second is live. Locally, we can use it on our system, on our laptop or computer. We can install it locally, but there is lots of limitation. When we close our laptop, when we switch off our laptop, our server will be closed, our automations agents stop working. So the local use it is only recommended for just practicing, but not for our live usage. So we will work on live options. There are two options in live. The one is self-hosted n8, the second is n8n cloud. I will tell you what is the difference between these two options. The option one is self-hosted, option two is n8n cloud. Self-hosted means we can install it on our server. It means we can purchase our hosting server VPS, and we can install n8n on that server. The second benefit is we have complete control over data because we have hosted it on our server. Free forever, only server cost. This means we don't need to pay monthly to n8n to use their services. We just need to buy our server one time and install their n8n platform, and we can use it forever. The last one is best for privacy focused users. Yeah, most of the users, most of the clients, most of the business owners wanted to stay private, wanted to don't want to share their data. So for that point of view, self-hosted n8n is best. There are lots of more benefits. There are lots of pros and cons of those options. You can explore them more, but I just listed top of top of them. The second option is n8n cloud. n8n cloud is managed by n8n. They do everything for their customers. They manage, they they do maintenance, they do updates automatically for their customers. But on the other hand, for self-hosted, we have to update manually uh, for every update. And this is fast setup, but it's not a big deal. We can set up in self-hosted n8n. The third option is higher monthly cost. Yes, it will cost $20 per month in basic package. On the other hand, self-hosted only costs $5 a month if you buy VPS. The last is 14 days free trial. And is not free, but they offer 14 days free trial. After that, we have to pay to use their services. This is our next slide, in which we will learn more about these two options, the self-hosted and cloud hosting. The same as you can install n8n on your server, VPS or cloud. You manage updates, backups by yourself. Full control over everything, cost only server hosting, which is $5 a month. On the other hand, cloud hosting by n8n, n8n manages everything for you, automatic updates, backups. We just need to just log in and start building. But free tier only available for 14 days. We have to pay $20 a month. Here I have just made a comparison graph, so you can get a better idea, you can get better understanding about these two platforms. Okay, in which cost, setup, control, data privacy, maintenance, and best for long-term privacy self-hosted, and quick start and add in. So my recommendation is self-hosted for this scenario. Better value plus learning experience, because once we purchased a VPS and install the n8n, I will show you in the coming video. It will be best just one time setup and we can do. But if we use cloud hosting, I will show you that as well, how we can get a free trial and start learning, but we have to pay monthly, which is a bit costly. It's depend on your choice. So today's focus is just I will show you how we can set up both options, self-hosted and cloud. So what you will learn, how to set up n8n and cloud free trial, and how to install n8n on Hostinger VPS. I will show you these two options today. Let's first talk about n8n cloud hosting. This is n8n official website. Okay, so First of all, I will just get started with free trial. Okay, let me show you prices as well. This is starter plan, which is 20 bucks a month. So same as pro, business, enterprise. You can see all the details, but we will just start with a trial. Okay, let me quickly fill out my details. Okay, I have just filled out my details. Let's press start free trial. Okay, we need to just fill out these details. What is the size of your company? Okay, we can select only me. What team are you on? Engineering, support, product design, marketing, sales. Hmm. Okay, let's click IT for the now. What best describes your company? Okay, click automation agency. Which of these do you feel comfortable doing? Writing skills, change skill, configuring, giving, using. Let's. You can select whatever best fits you. I'm just selecting this one. Okay, how did you hear about us? Select this one. Okay, invite team members to your access. Okay, skip this step. Okay, now press this button, start automating. Okay, it's redirected me to n8n dashboard. I can create my workflows using AI agent, and I can also start from scratch. There are also lots of templates available. We can just simply start with any template. But I will teach you each and everything steps by steps in upcoming videos. For the now, I just wanted to show you how we can log in, how we can sign up in n8n. Okay, this is how it will work for live server. And now let me show you how we can do it on self-hosted. This is managed by n8n. You can see this is 14-day free trial. Now let me show you the second option, which is self-hosted. You can simply purchase your VPS, where you can host n8n for year, 2 year, whatever which plans you will purchase. Okay, uh, for the start you can just go with this plan. It will cost you $5 a month, and if on the other hand n8n will cost you $20 a month. Okay, see this one. So I have already purchased this plan, and I will show you how it will looks, how we can install n8n. Once you have purchased VPS, after login you will see dashboard like this. This is Hostinger dashboard. In this you need to just go to this under setting, operating system and panel, and then operating system. You need to go to this menu, and here you can find n8n application by clicking this option and click see more. Here you will see n8n, here this one. I have already installed this one. When you click, it will redirect to you this page. This is overview of n8, and I have already installed it. Okay, so once you have installed, you need to just click this manage button. It will redirect to this page. Here you need to just set up your account. I have already filled out these details. Maybe we will face an issue because I have already used this email in n8n. So let me just change this email. Okay, I want to receive security and products update. Next. Okay, I need to answer these questions. Let me quickly respond to these. Okay, I have just filled out these details. Get started. Get paid fees for free forever. Okay, we can just click this one. Okay, I have grabbed my key, license key, and just paste the key and activate it. Okay, that's how it will work. This is very simple and easy to test. And I will add link in the description of my blog, where you can follow my blog step by step for the installation of this n8n. Okay, this is dashboard, same as for our cloud hosting, and we can use any template. Let me show you. We can select and use any workflow with that. So this setup required Google Gemini chat model and OpenAI chat model API keys these access. So for the now I can skip this. I will show you how we can connect our APIs. So this is ready-made template for the automation of C email support agent. Email support agents is handling the tickets. Okay, that's it. Today we have covered the two ways to set up n8n, cloud hosting for quick start and self-hosting on VPS for better control and pricing. Next video, we will explore the n8n interface and build our first automation workflow. If you have any question, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.